Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Duolingo learning language. First, open the Duolingo application or website and log into your account. Next, navigate to your profile icon, usually found in the top right corner. From there, click on Settings to access your account preferences. This is the initial step to customizing your learning experience and selecting a different language to study. It's a straightforward process. To add a new language course, simply tap the flag icon located at the top of your screen. This action will reveal a drop-down menu showcasing your current language courses. At the bottom of this list, you will find an option to add a new course. Select this. Then explore the wide variety of languages offered and pick the one you wish to start learning. This expands your linguistic journey. Once you have multiple language courses active, switching between them is incredibly easy. Just tap the flag icon at the top of your Duolingo interface. A convenient drop-down menu will appear, listing all the languages you are currently studying. Simply click on the course you wish to focus on, and Duolingo will instantly switch your learning path to that language. It's a seamless transition. Remember, your progress for each language course is saved entirely independently, so you can switch freely without losing any work. Duolingo allows you to learn as many languages as you desire simultaneously, offering great flexibility. For the best experience, consider aligning your device's display language with your target learning language. This helps immerse you further and reinforces your studies effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.